He has no easy life. First he lost his job, then he lost his kids and wife, and he just can't seem to shake the monkey off his back. So he walks around with his whole life in a burlap sack. He wakes up every morning and he puts on a smile on his face, just to hide the pain that's deep down inside. He wakes up every morning and he puts on his clothes, just to fight.